Hi everyone. I built Autokeep, which is basically an autonomous spending agent that runs on the Keeper Hub workflow. So basically, for DAO teams that would have to run payrolls or rebalancing or basically set a policy to run by itself, right? So you'd have to define a strategy. Um, it contains who gets paid, how much, and on what particular schedule should this workflow go in place, right? So AutoKeep then turns it into an actual keeper workflow, and on each run during the schedule, it checks against the on-chain treasury reserve to confirm that users are actually users can actually get paid, and then it goes through a gas sponsored transaction and confirm that through confirmed transaction through an on-chain verification system and an audit trail. If not, there will be a flag response integrated through the whole Discord webhooks. So that is just basically how it works, and it's also right here. So we can go ahead and just demo the demo the whole workflow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the dashboard, and yeah, so like I said, we are running on USDC Sepolia on a testnet basically. So we can basically confirm previous transactions that has been done. So the first transaction was the 1st of August, and then few hours ago, me running on my project, I ran a few tests. So you can see my current USDC reserve. I'm just going to go ahead and set up a workflow. So currently we can see that the payroll is paused, and we can see the recipient, which I have added some dummy data and actual people. So this is my DAO currently on my organization name. I'm just going to set I think this should be um 8 p.m. my time because I'm currently in the Watts time zone. So we're going to set that particular payroll. And we're going to just enable the schedule. So we'll have payments going out by 8 p.m. So we have the payroll currently live, and then we're just going to wait for 8 p.m. to confirm that payment will go out. So that would ensure the clone functionality of this project paying out recipient at a particular time. So we also have the audit trail, which is going to let us see the amount of transactions that has gone through this workflow, and then we see who was paid, the amount of gas that was used, and then the time lapse, and then the we have the individual cards to check the success rate. So currently we have performed 6 transactions, 3 has succeeded, and 3 has been executed as well. So you could also see everything right here. We can see the current recipient in the Keeper Hub workflow, and we're just going to wait a few minutes to ensure that payouts will be done. Payouts be done by 8 p.m. So
One eternity later.
just go ahead and run the payroll if the cron operation takes too much time, you know. So yeah, we can see that we're just gonna wait. The transaction is currently running. We can see that. So the next poll is going to be by this same time next week, which is going to be on a Tuesday by 8 p.m. Okay, yeah, so we have the particular transaction completed. So let's confirm from the audit trail success. So we have that particular payment done. Yeah, so let's check the I think this was before on, so just gonna try and run it again. This should give an error. Yeah, so we can see that because we didn't have sufficient funds, we were thrown an error from our Discord integration. So you can see that the whole platform works. And that is about it. That's about just the product. Okay. Everything was done with Keeper Hub integration. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.